Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to download VLC Media Player on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type VLC Media Player and hit enter. Click on the official website. Once you're on the VLC website, click on the Download VLC button. Make sure the Windows version is selected. If it's not, choose Windows from the list. Click on the Download button and wait for the download to complete. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. When the installer opens, click Yes if prompted by the user account control. Click Next on the welcome screen. Click Next and wait for the installation to finish. This might take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, click Finish. Make sure the Run VLC Media Player box is checked. Now, VLC Media Player is installed and ready to use. You can start exploring its features and enjoy your media files. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed VLC Media Player on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.